Get in the car.
Why?
It's a surprise.
Is it a birthday?
No. Is it bad?
Only if you behave badly.
Are we moving?
Are we getting a pony?
No.
You're smiling.
That's allowed.
That's suspicious.
Animal shelter? Wait,
No way!
we're here.
Is this for us?
We are just looking. Wow!
That is loud.
They are excited.
My name is Mary. Nice to meet you.
Do you work with all the dogs?
Yes, every day. We are just looking. That's how it always starts. We have big dogs
I like big dogs.
and small dogs.
I like small dogs. What does adopt mean?
It means you choose a pet and make it part of your family.
Forever?
Yes, forever.
So you don't just return it?
No,
Like a toy?
not like a toy.
Why are some dogs alone?
Some are waiting for the right family,
What's the right family?
one that understands them.
How do you understand a dog?
You watch, you listen, even without words.
Like when you know I'm sad but I don't say it?
Exactly. There is one more dog. He was adopted before, but he came back. He does not let people pet him.
Is he dangerous?
No, he is not dangerous.
Then what is he?
He is scared. That's him.
Can I pet him?
Usually he runs away. He is a little scared of people.
He runs away?
Yes, he doesn't come close to people very often. But if you want, we can ask him.
Ask him how.
Put your hand out slowly. Let him smell your hand.
Okay. Hi. He likes you. Dad,
Let's look around a little more.
we'll be back. You're a good dog. Don't be scared.
Wait. Hey!
He ran after us.
He ran really fast. He was scared inside, but not now.
I think he found the right family.
If he comes home with us, it's every day.
I know.
Rain?
Okay.
Cold?
Okay.
Poop?
That one is yours.
Okay,
Really?
really.
I'll get the papers. You're going home.
He smells like shelter.
We can fix that.
I think he got very tired while running.
Welcome home.
This is your house now. It's okay. No one is sending you back. He's in.
He didn't run.
That's a strong start. Is he judging us?
He's learning our smell, Leo. This is yours. Come on, drink it.
See, he trusts it. He's not shaking. He feels safe. We can't keep calling him the dog. Yeah, that's rude. He looks mysterious. You need a real name. What about Max? Rocky? Shadow? What about Coco? Coco. I think he likes his new name. He liked that. Hi, Coco.
Okay, bath time.
It's just water.
Easy, easy. Easy, easy.
Step 1, bubbles. Look at all the bubbles. Oh, Coco. He's a little sprinkler.
Good job, Coco. Coco burrito.
Coco looks happy.
He smells better now.
That means he trusts you.
I'll check. Hi, sorry to bother you. Yes? The shelter told me my dog was adopted here.
Your dog?
I came to take Bruno back.
Coco. No.
His name was Bruno. Bruno was my dog, but I had to move for work, so I took him to the shelter. It's time for Coco to go.
Please.
He never did that before. I guess he chose. He found a good family. I miss him, but he looks happy here. We take good care of him.
You can come see Bruno anytime you want.
Hi, Coco.
Don't worry, Coco. We are here. Take good care of him. We will. Welcome home, Coco.
Forever.